The year is 1818. The Ndwandwe kingdom, led by King Zwide, dominates the land. But one man rises against them, Shaka, chief of the Zulu. Zwide sends 10,000 warriors to crush him. Shaka has only 5,000. The battleground, a lonely rise called Gokli Hill. The hill is dry, no rivers, no escape. The sun blazes, dust chokes the air. The Ndwandwe climb, chanting their chief's name. The Zulu wait on the ridge, shields locked, eyes steady. What the Ndwandwe cannot see is Shaka's trap waiting below, the horns of the buffalo. The Ndwandwe crash into the line. Wood splinters, spears strike, dust blinds, screams echo. Bodies tumble down the slope, blood staining the ground. Wave after wave surges forward, but the Zulu fight like thunder, stabbing short, stabbing fast, refusing to yield. Their war cries roll across the hill, shaking the earth itself. At last, thirst breaks Zwide's men. They run for water, straight into Shaka's hidden wings. The trap slams shut. Silence falls. Thousands lie broken. Shaka stands unshaken. From Gokli Hill, the Zulu kingdom begins.